Do you find that you specifically said to an hour for open house? So do you find that the shorter time limit makes is more actionable than when people can come for 3 hours?
Absolutely. The shorter, the better. Do a 30-minute one.
Okay.
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 So here's the question. Here's what's the best time to do it? The best time to do the open house is one on a Saturday is 1 to 2. On a Sunday is 3 to 4. Because some people still go to church even during COVID. The shorter the time, the better. Don't ever in your life do an open house more than an hour.
What if they want to see it before the week, before that Saturday, before?
I love it. Thanks for asking that question. I forget your name, but thanks for asking that question. So listen, once you let's say you put the house in MLS on a Tuesday, and your open house is Sunday or Saturday. You block all showings. Don't let anybody see that house. You block them all through showing time. Nobody can come and see it. And you leave the only time open for them to see the house on whatever time your open house is. Saturday 1 to 2 or Sunday 3 to 4. That's a huge technique. Why do you do that? Because you want a bunch of people showing up at this place, and it's like, wow, this everybody wants to see this one house. And then you can act a fool and start making people bid up the house. Have the seller still be there. Don't introduce them as your seller. Just tell them, hey, I want you be here too, but I don't want you telling anybody you're a seller. Let them see it.
That's who's gonna.
Yeah, that's what's going on.
Yes.
Her.
All right.
I
You
think
got it?
it creates a sense of urgency.
Creates a sense of urgency. Jill's been with us a while. You guys go to my YouTube page and type in Epic Open House System. You'll see what I'm talking about. 150, 170 people show up to these open houses. Okay?
Wow.
Okay?
Epic.
Epic Open House System. You put my name, put the plus sign, Anthony Thornton. Okay? Epic Open House plus Anthony Thornton. I don't tell you stuff that might work, I tell you stuff that works. Okay? Here it is. Oh, I'm getting paid off this. No wonder. Okay. Here's an open house. We're gonna go to my YouTube channel. Boom, boom, boom. And I'm gonna be done. Y'all got me 6 minutes over. Epic. Here it is. So, you guys are saying, does this really work? Is that what you're saying? Are you doubting the Zen master? You couldn't be doubting.
Nope. Not at all.
Do I need to show you my tax return?
Do you want to help people and do real estate deals at the same time? Do you want to give blessings to people's lives that?
All right. And I'm gonna be out. Wait. Snellville, if you're watching this video and Facebook Live, what you should do is come on out. And if you're a buyer, remember when you buy a home using the Anthony Thornton real estate team, like in the first 2 years, we'll just buy it back from you a seller for free. And if you're a seller, you wait to open this door. If you want an epic open house like this at your house, you should definitely give us a call at 470-326-7074. And remember, we will sell your home at your price for the most amount of money, or we'll just stroke a check for it. All right, stay tuned. Look down the street, y'all. Look, you see all the people I'm letting in? I need y'all off mute because I'm about to teach you something.
That is crazy.
Okay,
That
listen
is
up.
overwhelming.
So the people I let in first are the people with realtors. The people I keep outside, this group over here, they don't have realtors. Who do I want to sell it to?
The people outside.
People outside.
So I can double in this house.
That's a
This also
birthday.
is a lady's house who said she was not selling and she wasn't signed in a listing agreement, by the way. Okay?
That's good for nosy neighbors too.
Look at these guys behind me. Look. Let me let Chanel go through. Look at these guys. This guy's right here is like, well, how come I can't get in? Yeah. Now I'm gonna look at this lady's face.